you know whether everything includes, there's a movie at the 4D theater? Was that included in the...
That's an additional charge.
Okay.
Well, we're on a Go City Pass, so I don't know. It includes some extras, and I don't know which ones.
Your admission includes the guided bus tour. It includes the aerial tram.
Oh, okay.
as well.
Okay.
Yeah, and also the kangaroo bus, which is 4 stops, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just a hop-on, hop-off bus.
Okay.
If you want to eliminate some walking.
So the tram kind of gives you a good aerial view of everything?
Yeah.
And then the bus tour kind of goes around everywhere?
Yeah, it's about 35 minutes long. You'll see about 70% of the zoo.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Or we can just walk.
Yeah, we can do both.
Okay. Okay, but the aerial tram's included, and the kangaroos included, and the cars. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Okay, so we just saw one go. The next one will be about 15 minutes.
Oh,
It's
okay.
a 35-minute or so tour.
Okay.
Oh, I sent you over there in your phone here. Yeah. Is that the same? Yeah. Okay.
That wasn't a long wait. No, they said 25 minutes. It wasn't.
So you're going to leave that on?
My name is Nicole, and I have the pleasure of being your tour guide and bus driver on this lovely day here at our world famous San Diego Zoo. And I am so excited to have you all on board with me because we are going on an adventure together. For the next 35 minutes or so, we'll be traveling across 5 different continents and making our way through thousands of years of history in the animal kingdom.
35
And we don't even have to leave our San Diego Zoo. I'll be happily showing you off to some of the 12,000 animals that we have here, many of which are rare and endangered. So I'll be teaching you all a thing or two that you can do to help save those species. Because it is our goal here to create a world where all life thrives. And we couldn't do that without you. Now we're going to start to make our way on down through the Lost Forest. For those of you who do have your maps on you, please feel free to follow along throughout the tour. The Lost Forest is the area in the very center of your map, surrounded by all of the green. And hey, if you don't have a map on you, I don't want you to feel left out or get lost later on. So keep in mind that you can always download our San Diego Zoo map app straight to your phone and follow along that way. Now, before we get to our very first habitat together, I'll give you all a little safety reminder. If you do need to stand up and move around to get a better view, please put the bus has stopped to hold on to something. Let's have our feet on the floor, keep the top of the benches, and then keep those hands, feet, arms, legs, toes, heels, trunk, snout, through, horn, tail, toes, and fingernails inside the bus at all times. Nobody's allowed to go overboard today. And certainly not next to on the left-hand side your habitat. You're on the right. Oh, and there's Steve Connor taking a big old cat nap just under the tree. And this area is called Tiger Trail, of course. Connor is one of the 3 Lillian Tiger brothers who live here. Habitat with his two younger twin brothers who are all raised here in the San Diego Zoo and born from the Survival Plan. Now, the CC Survivor Plan is kind of like an online news service for new animals. We do this to take care of animals from all over, making sure that they have the highest levels of genetic diversity. So that'll create nice little matching coverage for them and a lot of happy, healthy babies for us. Now, Connor and his two younger brothers are 3 of 12 tigers that Mama gave to us throughout this time. And
Are we in Australia? Oh, it's the Kookaburra. I think I've heard of it from one of the PBS show. Oh, okay. Is that
Hey, it's recording. We're gonna go see giraffes, and there's a cheetah down there. I don't know what else, but
okay?
let's go.
I'll follow you.
Yeah, it's in a really.
Yeah, that's a big cat though.
It's a snow leopard. You can only see the back.
It smells fishy too.
Is it still alive? Oh, it's alive. It's yeah. Hey, bear. All right. Okay, what are you having?
We're having Sundays at the Kwame Cafe. We're down by the panda area where they used to have pandas at the San Diego Zoo. No more. And Ray's throat's been bothering him, so I said, "You want some ice cream?" I got the strawberry sundae, and he got the churros. I'm trusting the churros going to be too crunchy, and he won't be able to eat them, so I'll steal some later.
Oh, this is the big one. Two.
Hang on tight.
How you doing?
Good. This is fun, huh? whole bunch of fun. Thank you.
Have a good day.
That was good.
Are you okay?
Of course, that was fun.